I had to pull up to C4Eats out in Hollywood, Florida, man. I seen this on TikTok. I said I gotta pull up. They got some good vegan food. I gotta let y'all know if it's fire.
How you doing?
The lady was real nice, but she didn't really know a lot about the menu. Like I was asking her what do they use for a meat alternative. She kept having to ask people in the back, so.
What's good, y'all? I see I got some slice. Got some rice, chicken, candy yams, some macaroni, some cornbread, all vegan. We have seafood, C4 vegan.
My face is different.
Vegan is fire.
Have a good day. Take care.
Mac is fire, bro. Cornbread. Could have been a little better. I'm being honest. Try some chicken. This better not be no Beyond Me, word, bro. Oh, I'm going to Bill Gates' crib.
These vegan spots be using soy like a motherfucker. They need to remove that from the recipe. It should not be soy and everything, Beyond Meat and everything. And what's the other meat? Beyond Meat and Impossible. They need to stop with those two fucking things.
Them yams the best thing on this plate for sure. These yams is fire, y'all. Too hot. Y'all pull up here though, man. C4Eats on Florida. I might eat the whole plate in the middle of it. Let me get out of here. Final review. Super hot. 8.5 out of 10. I'll eat it again with a bro. Y'all pull up.